Hello and welcome to the Southern Sideboard Cooks. I'm Craig Hall, and today I'm going to be grilling some inside skirt steak. It's the first time I've ever tried any, so we're going to find out together what we think of it. I'm going to put it in a marinade that I'm going to make out of orange juice, lime juice, freshly minced garlic, red pepper flakes, cumin, oregano, and soy sauce. We're going to mix it all up. I'm not going to put this in a bowl and then put it in here. I'm going to go ahead and put it right in what I'm going to marinate it in. Pour all of the ingredients into the bowl and mix it well. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to drop this right in here. Gonna mix it all around, make sure it gets in there good. Put the lid on it, and I'm gonna turn this stuff around in 30 minutes. That's gonna make an hour all together. Gonna find out how good it is. All right, back in the kitchen. It's been 1 hour since I put this in the marinade. I flipped it over and stirred it around after 30 minutes. The grill's hot. The grill's been oiled. It's ready to go. So we're going to get this out of the marinade and we're going to go to the grill. You need to pat this meat dry so that it'll brown good. If it's wet, it's going to steam good. You don't want it to steam, you want it to brown. Got that dry, I'm going to put one more thing in the mix. That's olive oil. This is baking soda. I said baking soda, not baking powder. Don't mess up. I'm gonna pour it over the meat and rub it in on both sides. Just spread this mixture around. It'll help the meat to brown. Now this marinade I got right here, I'm gonna pour it in this little boiler or saucepan, whatever you call it. Pour it in there, put it on the stove, let it come to a boil for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna add some more stuff to it. We're gonna use it for a sauce. I let that boil for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna pour it in this bowl right here. Finish it off, I'm gonna add the zest of the lime. I'm gonna add some orange zest. I'm gonna add some lime juice and some extra virgin olive oil. This is basically a vinaigrette type sauce or dressing. It's got a Cuban flair. This whole meal has got a Cuban flair. And we're going to try it out. I'm going to cut this right side burner off. And here we go. That little piece right there ain't going to need to be on there long at all. Oh, look at that, people. It's looking good. It's cranking along about 600 degrees. We'll get him off in a hurry. And that's it. We're calling it done. Let's go inside. Hey, back in the kitchen now. This meat's been resting for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna get it out of this plate onto the cutting board. This little piece didn't have a chance. I put it on there for about 30 seconds and turn it over and it was done. We'll cut this in thin strips. This looks like it's about medium. I got some Spanish rice to go with it. with some refried beans. And don't forget this juice that just come out of this meat. I'll put some of this Spanish rice in here, some refried beans. You got to have refried beans with this stuff. I got some of my sauce right here that we made. Put that on there, just like that. And there it is right there. Good stuff. There we go. Boy, that's different, people. Hey, that's the first time I had this stuff, and I gotta admit, it's pretty good. Hey, it's never too late to try something new, and you need to try it yourself. That's good stuff. I didn't know what I'd think of it, to be honest. Well, there you go. That's another one for the books. If you like what we're doing here at the Southern Sideboard Cooks, subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you know every time that I put out a new video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.